Hello and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to use poll in Instagram. Go to the Instagram app from your apps list. Tap on the camera icon at the top left corner. Go to the gallery. Then select a photo to use on the poll. Now tap on the face icon from the top. You can see the option poll. Tap on this. Ask any question to use in the poll. Tap on Done from the top right corner. Tap on Send to button. Now tap on the Share button beside your story. Tap on Done. That's it. The poll option is added to your story. Tap on your story. You can see your question is added to the story. Now everyone can participate in this poll. That is how you can use poll in Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.